tell us how to do math, and it's a lot of fun like to be in Hoover.
We're so thrilled you're here to celebrate with us today, but we are so honored that we have a special guest that came just to be part of the celebration and to congratulate Hoover for all that we've accomplished in the last year. So tenemos un visitante muy especial que ha venido para felicitarnos en todo lo que logramos en el año pasado. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce Senator Jerry Hill.
It is such an honor to be here with you today to celebrate the anniversary, the birthday, 70 years ago. This school has been here teaching our kids. And that's what's so great about this. I'm here not just to celebrate the birthday and the anniversary of 70 years, but also I came to recognize Hoover for the great work that they have been doing for our students, our kids, and our families. In Redwood City, for one, the best in San Mateo County. There are 5 schools that won as Gold Ribbon schools. It takes a good staff. It takes a good faculty. It takes an outstanding principal. It takes wonderful parents who spend so much time and energy. And then most important, it takes great kids. Great students that we have at Hoover. So I'm here today to recognize Hoover School for winning the California Gold Ribbon School Award. And it was created to honor schools that have adopted a model program, one program or practice that really inspires excellence within a close-knit partnership, taking everyone into consideration, students, staff, parents, and the community, all coming together to create one program. It's because it was so good, the hope is that it will be shared with other school districts around California. And so the program that you run for is Hoover's program, the SEAL program, the Sobrato Early Academic Language Model. That was the one program that really touched everyone and was so creative. So congratulations to Hoover School. Now, one thing I brought from the California State Legislature, a resolution that I want to present that says, and let me just read one thing, whereas Hoover Elementary School within the Redwood City School District has provided its students with a firm foundation upon which to base their future development, as well as a sense of community and belonging that is instilled in each student through the school curriculum. One of the highlights of what this says, and this on behalf of Assemblymember Kevin Mullen and myself, I present this great honor to a great elementary school.
Programs, everything's grown up, different opportunities for kids. The school campus has grown. It wasn't this much territory when I attended, but it was fun. I think it was early 70s is when I was here. So, thank you.
Well, thank you for being here and now being a member of the community. So it's wonderful that you can graduate Hoover and come back and support the community. So, gracias por apoyar la comunidad de Hoover y toda la comunidad de Redwood City. All right.
Samba, 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 samba. Who's hopping like a bunny and they jump, jump, jump? Jump and roll when they hop, hop, hop. Jump and roll when they hop, hop, hop. Jump and roll when they hop, hop, hop.
I'm with part of the Boys and Girls Club, and I love that Hoover is such a great community, and they help each other out all the time.
Hi, I'm also with the Boys and Girls Club, and I love how Hoover is so family friendly.
What I like about
Hoover is it has awesome field trips, like outdoor ed. What I like about Hoover is we get to experience a lot of things.
My name is Larry Lawrence Broussard, a.k.a. Ducky. That's what the kids call me, Ducky. And it's the most beautiful thing I love about these kids. They all get along. One big family here, and I love them all.
Hi, I'm Jeanette Serrano. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Hoover for this is my 30th year, so obviously I love Hoover.
One thing that I love about Hoover is that every year I learn something new.
I like Hoover because all the people are really nice.
How often do you perform?
Almost every month.
Wow, that's incredible. So congratulations and thank you. You were the one who came to me and told me your dance group wanted to perform at Hoover. So it's very, very special and we're very proud of you. So thank you. Round of applause for this outstanding ballet folklorico presentation. Thank you.
Uh-oh, let me see who's sitting in their college positions. Uh-oh.